Hey guys, are you ready for the math puzzle that will boost your brain skills? Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's start with a little warm up. How many squares do you see here? You have 20 seconds to answer. Okay, thumbs up. Are you ready with your answer? The answer is 40. That's exactly how many squares, big and small, are here. Next, another square question. How many of them can you find in this picture? You have 20 seconds to count them all. There are 11 squares in this picture. Here how you can find them. Alright, let's take a break from staring at squares and let's answer these questions. When Sophie was 6 years old, her sister Mary was half of her age. If Sophie was 40 years old today, how old is Mary? You have 20 seconds to answer. The answer is 37 years old. Sophie is 6, Mary is 3. Sophie is 3 years older than Mary. Okay, next. What is the value of the missing number in the diagram? You have 20 seconds to answer. The answer is 6 because this is a Pascal triangle. Each number is equal to the sum of the two numbers above it. Alright, next. What is the number of the parking spot occupied by the car in the diagram? You have 20 seconds to answer. The answer is 87. Below the equation is true. How? You have 20 seconds to answer. Just turn the question to 180 degree Or just turn this question upside down and you will have the answer. 8 plus 8 equals to 16. How can you make the equation true? By moving only one matchstick. Your 20 seconds starts now. Are you ready for the answer? The answer are two solutions. Solution 1, 0 plus 4 is equal 4. Solution 2, 5 plus 4 is equal 9. Make 3 moves to make 3 squares. You have 20 seconds to answer. How many triangle can you find here? You have 20 seconds to answer. The answer is 35 in variety of sizes. Another triangle question. How many of them can you find here? Timer starts now. The answer is 44. If you couldn't find them all, here's a map to help you out. Next, what are the 3 different whole numbers whose sum and product are equal? The answer is 1, 2, and 3. Which weigh more, 16 ounces of soda or a pound of solid gold? You have 20 seconds to answer. The answer is neither because they both weigh the same. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video interesting. Also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!